friend, helps care for Earth each day. It sorts the trash and shows the better way. It counts the trees and finds birds homes to stay. For a cleaner future, we all work and play. We use the sun and wind for power bright. We save the water, every drop in sight. The earth's our home, let's love it, do what's right. With AI by our side, keep green and light. The computer observes the world, it helps the flower, the bee. It collects the trash, protects the water. It fills our nature with love and joy. AI watches sky day and night. It finds the smoke and keeps the air bright. It helps us breathe and keeps clouds blue. With AI's help, Earth feels brand new. With human hearts and logic bright, we'll turn the darkness into light. A digital hand and a helping soul to keep our planet green and whole. It helps us learn what Earth needs most to protect the land, the sea, each coast. Together we act both smart and kind. A greener future for all mankind. AI plants seeds of hope each day. It guides our hands to choose the way. From forests deep to oceans wide, with earth and tech, we stand with pride. AI maps the path to a world so green, protecting places yet unseen. Hand in hand with nature's heart, we give our earth a brand new start. AI tracks the paws and wings that fly under the wide and open sky. It guards the bees and the whales so blue, keeping the balance for me and you. Hand in hand, children and air, under the blue and sunny sky, we plant the seeds, it gives the rain. Our green world is happy again. Artificial intelligence patiently shows us the right path. It teaches us to protect and value nature. We work together, we embrace our world with love. Together we want a greener, cleaner future. A smart and clever friend to help us every day. AI protects our planet in a very special way. It keeps the air and oceans clean, with logic and with care, for a bright and happy future that all of us can share. Listens to the forest breathe, counts the trees and guards each leaf. From satellite eyes in the open sky, it sees the smoke before flames rise. Artificial intelligence looks at the sky and measures the weather, predicting rain and wind in advance to protect us, teaching us to use energy efficiently, reminding us that even small steps can save the world.